Lifeguards. I've decided that to make your timesheet process easier, I will give you an example. So we first start with everyone received a group of timesheets in the mail. And so I'm going to just take this moment to show you what it looks like. When you open up the email that I sent you, you will see that you have several timesheets. The one that says September is obviously the one we're working on. As you hover your mouse over the timesheet, you will see an arrow which asks for a download, and then you will see a save to drive, and this is a Google Doc, and then you will see where you can edit in Google Docs. We want to download it as an Excel program. So once it's downloaded, open it up. Waiting for the file to open, it will say that it's in protected mode. Just enable the unprotection button and you will see your timesheets. So each and every one of you will need to type in your name, last name, comma, first name in the name box, and you should have a file number. If you do not know your file number, it is in your folder downstairs. However, you may send it without the file number. Then you simply go to the days that you work. So I worked Friday, September 2nd. I type in there 4 space PM, then tab over to the next box and say 8 space PM and press enter. You will see that I'm given the total hours, which are automatically calculated. I would continue down until I've completed all of my hours and double check to make sure that the total hours actually are accurate, because that too self-calculates. Now, if I were to make an error and I were to type 2 p.m. over, you will see that I get a number value with an exclamation point. This means that there's an error and it can't read that. There must be a space between the number and the AM or PM. If I do not have a finish time, it'll give me an all-day time period. So that's a negative number. So I must put in a finish time. So let's say I work 2 to 4 p.m. on this day, and then I also come back and I work a 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. shift, 9 space p.m., enter. You will see that something's wrong. What has happened? Why am I getting this p-value? So then I have to go back and figure out what did I do wrong. And in this case, I would just delete what I put in there and try again. Click in the box, put in a 5 space PM, enter, and notice how that comes up. Because I didn't press enter, it didn't give me the 0.00 to give me a total time. If you have any questions regarding how to do these, there are also up in the top part, you will notice that yours have an actual instructions button right here. And it literally shows you how to do the spaces and how to save it. So that's a bonus. When I go back to my timesheet, I want to come up here to File, open that, go to Save As, and then wherever or however your Save As looks, you will change this to your name and then write September and make sure that you've saved it in the Excel workbook. There's lots of other forms that you can see here, and so this one right here is the one you would like to select. After you save that, then I'm getting the error message that says this already exists because I've already saved it in that job title. But once you've saved it, then please email it to me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.